Ba weep grana weep ninipang. This is Ben, and we are gonna be unpackaging, unboxing the Transformers Robots in Disguise McDonald's toys from that's gonna be July 2017 in the Philippines, Asia here. So we have Optimus Prime over here, Bumblebee over here, Strongarm, yeah, and Grimlock. Yeah, that's Grimlock. Grimlock looks nearly as big as the other one. I mean, like the official one. Okay, let's look at Prime first. This is Prime. His back looks like this. He just holds a sword and, you know, flip action. Okay, let's open him up. Let's see. This should go there. What we got for us, Prime? He's not so. Oh, wait, nice. The wheels are there. Okay, I haven't actually played with the official Optimus Prime toy. I only have like Grimlock, because Grimlock likes to punch things and he's awesome. Never mind. Hey, I wanna punch stuff. I mean, okay, never mind. Wow. Head turns, arms. Oh, his head is kind of small, but you know, relatively to the size and stuff. So if it's here. It's not Decepticon Hunter. I don't remember if he used Decepticon Hunter in season 1. Oh, he did. I'm pretty sure he did. No, he didn't. Bumblebee did. Okay. Guess that's it. I like how the wheels are in the back like that. Okay. So put you over there. Next, let's go Bumblebee. His arms are totally black. I don't think that's right. Okay. He attached the wings and oh, he rolls. Rev up and roll out. Yeah, it's basically the same as Prime's old thing. Oops, he fell. Alright. One will be over there. Let's see. Attach. Wait. Okay. Oh, it's kind of tight to move. But yeah, focus there. Autobot symbol in front. Oh, head turns around. Legs do not move. He's largely yellow with just a thing. Why the hell does he have this? I don't think he did in the current season. They are Combiner War stuff. You don't do that. Wait. Oh, he rolls. What? That's it? He just rolls? Weird, man. Whatever. Okay. Anyway, that's Bumblebee. The heck, did they not know that Bumblebee does not do that? Now let's go Strongarm. This is Strongarm, Ladybot. Okay, apparently she fires a blaster. Alright. So there should be like a 5-man team, but they went with Strongarm instead of Sideswipe. Or Fix It. Thank God they didn't do Fix It. I'd rather have one of these guys than that little guy. Alright. Giant gun thing. Focus. There. Putting it in here. Let's shoot you by Strongarm. Oh, she didn't fall. Ooh, she's strong. Nice. Okay, arm moves, head turns, giant gun. There. She doesn't have this. She always uses a crossbow in the show. Oh, there goes the missile. Right. The back. Oh, she's less hollow. Nice wheels. Cool. Put that over there. Oh, Blitz. Never mind. I don't like the gun. Put that over there. Hey, lady. And Grimlock. Kind of fell over. Okay. What? He does not have a gun like that in the back. Classics Grimlock sort of looks like that, but he was like, yeah, a gun in dino mode. His official vehicle mode in the cartoon is a tractor thing. Alright, so here. What are these things? Oh, okay, we solid. So all we do is get the gun, clip, fire. It's kind of the same. I wonder if it's exchangeable with Strongarm's gun. Nope, doesn't. Just this one. Aw, too bad. Okay, arm moves. Head turns. but does not go chomping. Have this over there. He's just slightly the same size as the Grimlock, Deluxe Grimlock. Hello, Grimlock. Hello, too. Oh, legs don't move too bad. Lower bottom, stuff like that. Okay. Anyway, that's it. That's Transformers RID for McDonald's in July of 2017. That's all. Bye.